here at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we got 2020 Sea Ray 21 SPX with outboard power. It's got the 150 Mercury. Gives you great performance for your water sports. You got a sport arch here with your tow bar. You got a ski bar in the back. You got the wakeboard mount in front. Plenty of room, seating, comes with boat, motor, and trailer. Plenty of room for you and 10 of your friends and even your mother-in-law. Beautiful horizon color. Like I said, it comes with boat, motor, and trailer. With the outboard power, it gives you plenty of storage space here where the engine normally would be for the inboard. It's got a reversible seat, so you can sit back here and enjoy the island. It's a great boat. Like I said, plenty of power, a lot of fun. This is Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. 850-708-1317. Come see me. Let's go to the island.